Hello and welcome to Edge Digital. Today we'll learn how to make a text masking design in Canva, where an image or texture fills the shape of text. First, open Canva and click on Custom Size. Next, take the width as 1000 and height as 1500 pixel. And then click on Create New Design. Once the page opens, go to Elements and select a square shape. Then change the color of the square to black. Next, adjust the square like this in this page. Next, go to Text and click on Add a Heading. Also, change the font to anything you like. I have chosen League Spartan. Also, change the text color to white. Next, type your text. Next, drag the box like this to make the word look vertical, and then enlarge it so that it covers the black square proportionately. Then go to Advanced Settings and decrease the line spacing of the word. Adjust its size once more and drag it towards the right. Next, go to Elements and select another square and change its color to white. Zoom out a little to make sure the square touches the letter G like this and is of same height as G. Then duplicate the white square and resize it to fill this gap. Similarly, do the same steps for the other letters to get this style. Next, download the image as PNG and then delete all the elements to get a blank page. Next, upload that PNG and resize it to cover the page like this. Next, remove the background of the image by clicking on BG Remover. Next, click on Edit and go to Effects and select Duotone. Then select Custom and change the colors to white. Next, get back and select Shadows and then click on Glow. Then decrease the size and blur amount. Next, go to Elements and select your image. Then zoom the image in such a way to ensure the part you want to mask with the text is visible. Next, right-click on the image and go to Layer and select Send Backward. Then adjust the image so that it covers the full page. The earlier image we used for masking was a horizontal one. You can also select a vertical one if you want the whole image to fit to the page. To do that, I will first delete the earlier image and go to Elements and then Photos. filter the photos to get only vertical images and then select the image which you like. Next, we'll again right click, select layer and click send backward to get our final result. I hope you found the video helpful and do try it out yourself. And please give your feedback in the comments section. Thanks for watching.